Do you ever look at your notes and realize there's no way you're memorizing all of this by test day? In this project, we'll test whether a large language model, or LLM, like ChatGPT, could help us make better study flashcards. More specifically, we'll be experimenting with changing the prompt to improve our results. First, you want to pick the LLM that you would like to use for this project. I'll be using ChatGPT for this project, but feel free to use any other LLM like Gemini, Copilot, Claude, etc. Next, you'll want to pick the material in which you want to base your flashcards off of. So here I have some of my history notes. You have a couple options for how you want to upload this to your LLM. First of all, you can download it as either a doc file, a PDF, or something else. But the simplest way is to simply copy and paste it. So I'll just copy all of the text here. Go back to whichever LLM you are using. In my case, I'll be using ChatGPT. Now you want to start typing in your prompt. Remember that the more specific your prompt is, the more helpful your cards are likely to be. An example prompt could be create 20 flashcards based on my notes. And in this case, I don't want to spend too long on studying each flashcard, so let's make each question and answer shorter. So we can also add in make each flashcard relatively short with 1 to 2 sentences for both the front and back. And since these are history notes, I want to memorize the cause and effect of certain events. So I will also include cause and effect style cards. And then I'll just add in here are my notes and then paste it in and send it. After just 8 seconds, we have 20 flashcards created. From here, you want to at least briefly review some of your cards to see if there are any changes you would like to make. Remember to fact check your cards so that you don't accidentally learn something that's false. In my case, I do like how the cards are looking right now. However, it is not really asking or showing the time period in which all of this is happening. So back to the chat, I'll just add include the time period in each flashcard and then send it. And now we can see each flashcard has a time period in which these events happened. From here, you can keep going back and forth with the LLM until the flashcards are exactly how you like them. After that, all you need to do is copy these flashcards onto some cards and then you can study with them. If you don't want to make physical flashcards, you could also make digital flashcards by asking the LLM to reformat the cards into a Quizlet or Anki import style. But of course, that's optional. And with that, we are done with this tutorial. Make sure to check out our other machine learning projects on our YouTube channel.